Welcome. I'm glad you stopped by for a moment. I'm Anita with beandesigns.com. I'm here with a short video in the Digital Scrapbooking Using GIMP Skills series. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to place a ribbon with an attached charm onto your scrapbook page. So we'll start by looking at our finished product. Here is the ribbon with a charm and a shadow right here on my chipboard. Let me zoom out so you can see the whole page and zoom back in where we are working. I went ahead and brought in my ribbon and charm at full size. The kit I got these from, I'll leave a information in the description box so that you can see them in case you are interested in getting one. You'll see here that the ribbon is much larger than we need. I went ahead and hid the finished product and we're going to work on these. We're going to make the bow layer active and we're going to use our scale tool to reduce its size. So I reduced it a little bit where I can find the center of my layer and I can left click and grab that to approximate where the center will be and when I'm finished. Anytime you're using the scale tool and you need to reset because something went awry, simply click reset. Let's start that again. So let's bring it in and we can grab it and put it in place, grab the edge, and let's take a look and see if this ribbon is approximately the right size to go through the eyelet of our charm. And it is. There, that's pretty good. I'm looking over here to see will I be able to erase this part of the ribbon and leave this part without touching it. So this looks pretty good. It's a good size. So we're going to go ahead and apply the action. Now we're going to the erase tool. We're going to choose a round brush and we're going to choose a hardness around 74, 75. And we're just going to erase the area that goes beyond our chipboard and we're going to take that away. If I need to make my brush smaller in order to get to that area right there. See there? All right, so we'll just go ahead and take away the rest over here on the left. And there we have it. So let us go ahead and move our charm up to where the ribbon is going through the eyelet. And we're going to go to our layer palette and we're going to duplicate the ribbon layer. Then we'll move that layer up above the charm layer. Go back to our eraser tool and we're going to erase everything from the center of the eyelet on the charm out to the left. So now the ribbon is underneath this part of the charm and on top of the right side of the charm. We need to add some dimensions, so we're going to add some shading and highlights. So with this top ribbon layer active, we're going to go ahead and add a new layer and keep it transparent. Apply that layer. We're going to go to the airbrush tool. I'm going to choose this ellipsis style brush and you'll see that it's horizontal and that's not the right angle here. That looks pretty good. It's a tad bit large, so let's make it a little bit smaller. And we're going to go to our color palette. We want that black to be the foreground and we're just going to click just to the right of the uh, eyelet charm area and then to the left. That's going to be the shading. And then we'll flip our color palette to white and we're going to do some highlighting. Okay, it looks a little bit harsh. So we're going to go to filters and blur and we're going to use Gaussian blur and we're going to blur everything a tad bit. And then we can go to the opacity of our layer and reduce that opacity to where it looks much more natural. Once we're pleased with how it looks, we're going to need to merge these layers to make it one item. We do that by right-clicking on the layer, choosing Merge Down, and once they are all on one layer, we can then apply a drop shadow. So we'll go to Filters, Light and Shadow, Drop Shadow, and we have a completed element on our page. Let's take a look. Let's zoom out so we can see. There it is, our ribbon and charm on our finished page. If you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you, check out my other videos on the channel and subscribe for more tidbits to help you be successful in creating your digital scrapbooking layouts using GIMP. Bye for now.